Hello everybody and welcome to my shop. Today we're gonna take care of this thing here. It's a Jet 14-inch bandsaw which I picked up along with my sandblaster, and wanted to make sure this baby was up to par before it can go to a good home, because I have two bandsaws already, a 14-inch and a 20-inch, and I sure don't need this one. So let's work on it. Let's make sure it works, it's in good shape, and it can go to a good home. So this is a Jet 14-inch bandsaw. Still needs to be a little bit more clean, but it works really good. It is a JWBS 14CS single phase. Still need a little bit of cleaning because I just cut some wood. So let's work on that thing. That's how I received it. It was surface rested on the table. So before I was 150 grit by hand, starting to see some metal right here. I'm gonna go with the orbital sander, see if it was quicker. Still need some work over here, but it's a lot better than it was. So let's keep it like this for now. Let's replace the tires. They're not bad, but let's change them anyway. Got new ones from Amazon, nothing fancy, but they're new. What the okay, these are going back. They're broken. Well, let's brush them and see what it is, if it's good enough. Seem okay. Let's just throw a blade on it and see what it does. This is a 93.5 half-inch 3 TPI. Make sure the teeth are going the right way. So it's turning this way, so they need to go down. We have an issue in the back here. And these are going to be replaced. Sure will. So let's tackle this thing here. There's something wrong in the back, I'll show you. I need to disassemble it and put it back together. And I also bought cool blocks here. I don't know if you can see well, but these are the guides that go here. These are messed up. I'll show you later. They're pretty bad. And I also made this plate 3D printed from a file I found online for free. So I put it here. So let's change these, let's fix the back here and see where we are after that. So first, the blocks here are shot, so we're gonna change those. And then in the back right here, let's go on the other side. Here, there is this thing here which moves that block back, which is okay, but there is another one right here which is going, I don't know if you can see it, let me zoom, it's going nowhere. See, yeah, lost it. It's supposed to go in this groove right here. I need to undo all of this and put that back together. Okay. pretty shot. Shot. Let's replace them. Here we go. And same for the bottom right here and on the other side. Now let's see if this thing cuts. Well, first starts and then let's see if it cuts anything. PPE first. Cross your fingers. Running good. The only noise is with the 3D printing plate. I think the throat is a bit too narrow. Let's see if it cuts anything. This is a piece of red cedar, 3/4 thick. Let's see what it does. Like butter. Like butter. All I need to do now is a quick clean, and then I can see if it can go to a good home. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video to make sure this bandsaw was up and running to go to a good place. And maybe it can also help you along the way if you get something like this and you want to work on it. It's not hard and I enjoy it, so I hope you guys enjoy it too. This baby works really good, so thank you for tuning in and I'll catch you later.